Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we show you how to update the device firmware on Windows 11. So let's get started. So go to the search bar and type device manager. Now click on here. Now in the just maximize the window. Now on the left side you can see all the listed driver lists. So you have to find for firmware. Then you click on device firmware. As you can see this option, just right click on it and click on update driver option. Now you will see two options here. Now go to update drivers option. Now you can see in my case I've already updated my device firmware. Now close this window, again close this window. Now this time you have to go to settings bar and move to settings. As you can see this gear like option, double click on this. Now on the left side you can see all the settings menu. Just move to the last one and click on Windows Update. Now click on check for updates. Now it will hardly takes to 25 seconds. Till then you can like my video and subscribe to my channel. It will tell you all the list whatever. Okay, it's for checking for update. It will hardly take 15 to 20 seconds now, so to stay calm and just wait. Okay, so in my case I've already up to date my laptop. You can check in your PC or as well as laptop, any other device you are using. So guys, thanks for watching. This was video on how to update device firmware. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.